Sharing from Google Drive. In order to share from Google Drive, the first I'm going to need to do is locate the Google Drive app. Then I need to find my document and click on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner of the document. I have two seemingly similar options, one to send a copy or two to share. I'm going to need to share my document. When the pop-up menu comes up, I'm going to need to start to type who I need to share it with. My name pops up. I'm going to select it. And then I'm going to click the send button in the lower right-hand corner of the pop-up. I will get a notice that it is sent at the bottom of the screen. I can also share from within inside the document. First, I open the document. Then I click on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner. Once I click on the three dots, the menu appears again. I'm going to click on Share. This time, at the bottom, you'll see that it has already been shared with me. I could start to type another name and then click the Send at the bottom right-hand corner after I had typed the name. However, since I've already shared it with myself, I'm going to exit out at this point. Thank you.